Welcome back. Now, one of the easiest ways to understand what you're doing with HTML is to look for opening and closing tags. Now, in Dreamweaver, when we highlight an opening tag, typically you'll see the closing tag highlighted right along with it. What happens with opening and closing tags, you're going to notice a pattern. You'll notice that this opening tag has a word, it has brackets around it, they're closed, and then it has another bracket at the end where you have a backslash within the bracket. So you'll see that there's bracket center, then bracket backslash, then the word, then another bracket. You're going to see that pattern over and over again. And basically what these tags tell your page to do is to, in this case, center everything within the tags. We can see that pattern again here. For example, if I put my cursor here, you'll notice that this says H1, has some information in here within the closed bracket, and then another closing tag at the end. And you'll see the backslash again. And it's telling your page to make sure that all of the text within these tags should appear the same. And you'll see that highlighted here in Dreamweaver. If we put the cursor on top of the word strong, you'll notice that there's a similar tag that is also strong, and you'll notice that there's a backslash. And basically what it's telling your page is that everything within this tag, make sure it's strong or bold. So what you'll want to look for when you are looking to make changes to a page or you're looking to add something are opening and closing tags. For example, if we place our cursor here, you'll notice that there's a division, and you'll see the opening tag and you'll see the closing tag here. You'll notice here that we have a paragraph tag, and you'll see here that there are the opening brackets, then there's a closing tag at the end. What you'll notice in particular is that within HTML, what you can do is you can place tags on the inside of other tags. So for example, you'll see an opening tag here, and then you'll see a second opening tag for strong or bold. So everything within these tags, opening and closing, which is a paragraph tag, is also going to contain everything bolded. And so you can place tags within other tags as long as you have the back tag in the right order. So for example, we could not put the paragraph tag here and the strong tag here. We'd have to make sure that they are in the right order. And you'll see that here. So if we place the cursor, it says strong, and you'll notice that this is going to be bolded. So again, to know what's happening on your page, all you'll need to do is to look for the opening tags and the closing tags, and then you'll look within those tags so that you'll know what HTML is telling your page to show. Again, within some cases, you'll be able to find even tags within tags that'll again tell you more about what your page is designed to do. Now, all HTML editors will not necessarily highlight the two tags together. We're using Dreamweaver for the sake of this video. However, you can find the opening and closing tags very easily by just tracing the activity on your page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.